Convection, heat transfer methods and sustainable building performance. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we explore how convection via rotation is a critical heat transfer method impacting sustainable building design. So the first method of heat transfer was conduction within a solid material. Convection is more of a fluid environment. So it's the transfer of heat from the hot side to a cold side in a fluid environment such as air or water through the rotation of the fluid. So molecules from the warmer side move across through circulation to the colder side. So here you can see an example of a window frame section. And there's a large cavity that has an exterior on one side, which is cold, and an interior wall section on the interior, which is warm. And by convection, that circulation that you see there, heat is going to move from warm side to the cold side. So here you can see that we've interrupted that by introducing polymer infill that creates chambers. So the large chamber now is broken down into smaller chambers by adding a polymer filler. And this minimizes the amount of warm side and cold side. Attention also must be paid to the separation of the glass from the glass pocket, preventing air rotation in this area also. Inserting foam blocks into the chambers will further inhibit convection or circulation. Also, by introducing triple-planed insulated glass units, contributes by inhibiting heat transfer due to having one cold surface on the outside, warm on the inside. Triple-planed glass now breaks those two apart, creating less opportunity for circulation or convection to occur within the insulated glass unit. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.